Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a million of coins. It's randomly by using your unused player in FIFA Mobile. So if you desperate need a million, maximum is 20 million coin in this mode on in this feature. You can get it now by exchange with your unused player. So I give you an example. I will tap the exchange. There are some option here for option. Go to this one, foundation. So the minimum coins that you can get randomly or possible reward is 1 million, and this is the minimum 100 and 17,000, and the maximum is 1,400,000, and this is the minimum packs. So let's tap it. You can get this coin by exchange with events player and untradable 102 and 105 of VR, and you can learn about this exchange option with tapping one by one this option. So at the top of this feature is this one. I want to show you this one. Let's clear first. So you got a minimum like 11,000, and the maximum is 20 thousand or 20 million of coins. So this is a possible rewards. You can get 16 or you can get 20. So I will try my luck. Let's trade my unused player. This one, Manu Sanchez, and this is tradable. You have to exchange with this tradable player and tap exchange. Unlock continue. And I've got 11. This is the minimum. 11 million. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.